In this chapter, structure and bonding, we have seen next point is percentage of hyperconjugation. In this hyperconjugation, we have seen the displacement of sigma bond or sigma electron. Already we have seen in resonance effect displacement of pi electron. Then this hyperconjugation, it is a permanent electron displacement effect. It term of hyperconjugation is introduced by Baker-Nathan in 1935. That's why this rule is also called as Baker-Nathan effect, and it also known as no bond resonance. In that, the extended overlapping in between alpha hydrogen sigma bond and pi bonded orbital of unsaturated carbon atom is known as hyperconjugation. Means the alpha hydrogen are delocalizable. Transfer of only sigma bond. Means in hyperconjugation is delocalization of alpha bond of pair electron to the adjacent unfilled p orbital. Now in this example we have seen alpha carbon, means it's adjacent of our functional group attach first carbon, they are called as alpha carbon, and that carbon attached to hydrogen, they are called as alpha hydrogen atoms. In this alpha hydrogen are delocalized and formation of three different structure and shifting of our sigma bond. Now they are also called as resonating structure of alpha hydrogen, means there will be formation of only shifting of our bond and formation of from prop 1 into different three structure are formed. The application of hyperconjugation. The stability of carbocation and free radical are greater the number of carbon hydrogen bond of adjacent to sp2 hybridized carbocation or free radical, greater the number of hyperconjugation structure and hence greater the stability. Means we have seen one example. Now there will be seen positive carbon atom, means this carbon atom is attached to adjacent of our functional group. That's why they have attached different. In first example we have attached three different carbon. In that three different carbon atom having attached 9 alpha hydrogen atom. And in second example we have seen positive carbon to attach two different carbon atom, and this two different carbon atom having attached 6 alpha hydrogen atom is attached. In third example, one CH2 and having attached only one carbon, that one carbon is attached 3 alpha hydrogen atom. And last example is having no alpha hydrogen or no alpha carbon is attached. That's why they are less stable and their numbering will be more carbon or more hydrogen having greater, and less carbon or less hydrogen, alpha hydrogen is present, that carbon is less stable, and that type their arrangement will be happened. In next application we have seen two example, but 2 in and but 1 in. In first example we have seen 6 alpha carbon hydrogen bonding, and in but 1 in contain only 2 alpha carbon hydrogen bonding is present. Therefore that's why but 2 in is more stable than but 1 in. And in last application we have seen Effect on bond length. It due to the hyperconjugation, same double bond character arises and hence decreases the bond length of carbon-carbon in propane, but decreases from 1.54 angstrom unit of carbon-carbon bond to 1.488 angstrom unit. We have seen the one example also, and these all are about the our hyperconjugation.